Avocado pudding, 2.5 carbs. I put black cherry in this one. Have you ever heard of avocado pudding? It's delicious. 2.5 carbs for one serving. This is going to make 4 servings. What you do is take an avocado, put it into your little bullet or mixer or whatever you want to use. And we're going to put some real coconut cream in. That's a 1/2 cup. Okay, we'll blend it up. That's good. I'm going to add in, I've got some flavorings here. I've got black cherry, I've got banana cream, key lime, peach. I'm going to go with some black cherry today. That's my favorite in this avocado pudding. I'm going to put 7 drops in. I'll link to this below in the recipe for the drops. This is a 1/4 cup of 100% cocoa. This is a 1/4 cup of powdered erythritol. Blend it up again. Okay, that's done. I'll take this out. Okay, I'm going to put it into the bowl now. You can see the consistency. It's just like chocolate pudding. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? Look at that. Avocado pudding with black cherry in it. Thanks for watching.